Adrian right here. Uh, now, I said I was gonna make a video before you watch this video, below this video, how you can earn instant cash. I ain't gonna make this video um, like a sales pitch or anything like that. But one thing I can say, guys, that I have like almost 4 years of internet marketing experience. I failed many times, but I love failing because when you fail something or a business, whatever, go out of business or whatever situation that happens. Some people call it scams, some people call it different things. Me, I call it, I learned a lot. It was like an investment. People spend $20,000, $30,000 a year to go to college. They don't get that money back. So, I lose a couple $100 here and there through some failed programs that I was involved with. But at the end of the day, I learned a lot from the failed programs. So, guys, what I realized that is, I know I can help a lot of really the beginners of the internet marketing, because at the end of the day, you want to quit your job. Working 40, 60 hours a week. They have control of you like that. And, I know it sucked because I had left the post office and I was there for a minute. I didn't like it. So I started my janitorial business. And that's straight, take the bosses over your head like that. I don't have stress like that. So, but now I'm on a journey of learning a lot more different things, like the Forex that I'm in. But this right here, in particular, what I'm offering us, is I have a rotator link, and this rotator link, it's it can help a whole lot of people. I'm from Milwaukee, so first I'm gonna try to get Milwaukee and the whole Wisconsin to get involved in this rotator link, because we can get instant cash constantly, guys. My goal is to show over 10,000 people a month this opportunity to get involved with my rotator. And you'll see a video below this, and it'll tell you about how the money will work. And imagine you'll get $25 instant, guys. Imagine $50 pay instant. Imagine $250. Imagine $500. Imagine a stack. Well, be 10 a day of a stack from the rotator link that I create. All right, and it's only gonna cost you only one-time payment, $25. Let me do the work. Just believe in me for $25 one time, and then just make sure I have my email and my phone number. Just text me your affiliate link, and you'll get a page like this made, and I'll send it back to you and tell you this is your new page that I made for you, but it will be directed to your affiliate. All right, and this will be part of the rotator. But you'll test it out. Let me know if it didn't or did or something like that. So we gonna communicate, and then I'm gonna try to help 30 to 100,000 people get in. So imagine the rotation, boom, 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 and then when they upgrade to a bigger package, as you will, now you're getting them stacks. Imagine you get 10 or 15 a month. Once, the team already, we built them like that. It's like winning the lottery, you know what I mean? And I can do this. All you have to do is believe in me for $25, and then follow simple instructions by sending your affiliate links, and then I'll text you it back and stuff like that. If you want to talk to me on the phone, just call on my phone then. And we're gonna politic like that. We can make this happen. I believe we can. So if you're taking it serious, guys, make sure you watch this video below this, and it'll show you how the money works. All right, and then make sure you take note on my email address and my phone number, so you can text me. However you want to do it. And then if you got questions, just call. Text it first. Because I can be getting millions and millions of phone calls like that. All right, guys. Once again, make sure you watch the video below this and take my number and all that stuff, put it on a different